Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammad Bilal, roll number 2K18/IR/100. Today's my topic is the state. What is a state? A state is an independent, sovereign government exercising control over a certain specially defined and bounded area. Those borders are usually clearly defined and internationally recognized by other states. States are tied to territory. Sovereign or state as absolute ruler over territory, have clear borders, defends and controls its territory within those borders, is recognized by other countries, diplomatic recognition, passports, territories, etc. States have bureaucracies staffed by state personnel, has a national bureaucracy staffed by government personnel, legal system, education system, hierarchical governmental units, etc. States monopolize certain functions within its territory. Sovereign control money at national state, controls limited use of force within its territory, controls much information within its territory, makes rules within its territory, law, regulation, taxes, citizenship, etc. States try to form nations within their borders through symbols, education, national dress, etc. State is a political organization of society or the political body, or more narrowly, the institution of governmental. The state is form of human association, distinctions from other social groups by its purpose, the establishment of order and security, its methods, the laws and their enforcement, its territory and the area of jurisdiction or geographic boundaries, and finally by its sovereignty. The state consists most broadly of the agreement of the individuals on the means whereby disputes are settled in the form of laws. A state is a polity under a system of governance with a monopoly on force. There is no undisputed definition of a state. A widely used definition is that a state is a polity that maintains a monopoly on the legitimate use of violence. Although other definitions are not uncommon, a state is a synonym with a government. A stateless government like the Irish Confederacy exists. Some states are sovereign, known as sovereign states, while others are subject to external sovereignty or hegemony, wherein supreme authority lies in other states. There is no academic consensus on the most appropriate definition of the state. The term state refers to a set of different but interrelated and often overlapping. The most commonly used definition is which describes the state as a compulsory political organization with a centralized government that maintains a monopoly of the legitimate use of force within a certain territory. While economic and political philosophers have contested the monopolistic tendency of states, another commonly accepted definition of the state is one given at the Montevideo Convention on Rights and Duties of States in 1933. It provides that the state as a person of international law should possess the following qualification. Number 1, a permanent population. Number 2, a defined territory. Number 3, government. And number 4, capacity to enter into relation with the other states, and that the federal state shall constitute a sole person in the eyes of international law. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, a state an organized political community under one government, a commonwealth and a nation. Confounding the definition problem is that a state and government is often used as synonyms, in common conversation and even some academic discourse. According to this definition schema, the state are non-physical person of international law. Governments are organizations of people. The relationship between a government and a state is one of representation and authorized agency. Now, what is a nation? Nation is a group of people who see themselves as a cohesive and coherent unit based on shared culture and historical criteria. Nations are socially constructed units, not given by nature. Their existence, definition, and numbers can change dramatically based on circumstances. Nation in some ways can be thought of as imagined communities that are bound together by nations of unity that can pivot around religion, ethnic identity, language, cultural practice, and so forth. The concept and practice of a nation work to establish who belongs and who does not, insider versus outsider. Such conceptions often ignore political boundaries such that a single nation may spill over into multiple states. Furthermore, states, nations, not every nation has a state. Some states may contain all or parts of multiple nations. And now, a nation state. A nation state is the idea of hegemonic nation governed by its own sovereign state, where each state contains one nation. This idea is almost never achieved. State-nation are territorially bounded sovereign polity. A state that is ruled in the name of community of citizens who identify themselves as a nation. The legitimacy of a nation state rule over our territory and over the population inhabiting it stems from the right of core nation group with the state, which may include all or only some of citizens, to self-determination. Members of the core national group see the state as belonging to them, consider the approximate territory of the state to be their homeland. As a political model, the nation states chooses two principles. The principle of the state sovereignty, first articulated in the Peace of Westphalia 1648, which recognizes the right of states to govern their territories within external interference, and the principle of national sovereignty, which recognizes the right of national communities to govern. Principle of popular sovereignty, according to which states belong to their peoples. Emergence and structuring of a state. State formation is the process of the development of a centralized government structure in a situation where one did not exist prior to its development. State formation has been a study of many disciplines of the social sciences for a number of years, so much so that Jonathan has writes that one of the favorite pastimes of social scientists over the course of the past century has been the theories about the evolution of world's great civilization. The study of state formation is divided generally into either the study of early states, those that developed in state societies, or the study of modern states, particularly of the form that developed in Europe in the 17th century and spread around the world. Academic debate about various theories is a prominent feature in fields like anthropology, sociology, economics, political science. State formation can include state building and nation building. A state is a political system which centralizes government, a military force, a civil service, and arranged society and literacy. Through there is no clear agreement on the defining characteristics of a state, and the definition can vary significantly based upon the focus of the particular definition. According to Painter and Jeffrey, there are five distinctive features of the modern state. They are ordered by precise boundaries with administrative control across the whole. They occupy large territories with control given the organized institution. They have a capital city and are endowed with symbols that embody state power. The government within state creates organization to monitor government and control its population through surveillance and record keeping. Thank you very much.